All aboard! Next stop, Baking Junction.
Hello, my name is Dr. David Gatson, and I'm that tall, dark, and handsome man in that Baking Junction logo. And that beautiful young lady standing beside me, well, I know you thought it was my wife, but that's my daughter. Yes, that's Janell. And we miss her greatly because she was the reason why I started Baking Junction. I was just an old man trying to spend some quality time with my teenage daughter. You see, I definitely was ill prepared when Janell came bouncing into our lives. We were already rearing 3 boys, and I had no idea what to do with this beautiful baby girl. But she didn't need any help from us. She got her hands into everything and anything, acting as crazy as anybody else's child. And she could always disarm you with that beautiful smile that would wrap its arms around you and hug you with its warmth. And cook. That girl was always baking up something sweet for someone at home or church or at school. And one day, in an attempt to recoup some of the funds that was leaving my house because of the cake mix, eggs, and icing and everything else we had to buy, I asked her, wouldn't you like to start selling some cupcakes and begin putting money towards your college fund? She sheepishly grinned and agreed. And so Baking Junction was born. We built her a kitchen downstairs. We experimented with product ideas. We developed a bake, learn, and earn program. She would teach kids how to bake, and I would teach kids about life. We would then use the money earned for her college. But so goes the best laid plans of mice and men. Because 2 weeks after Janell reached her 18th birthday, she left home. She dropped out of high school in her senior year. She stopped attending church, and she broke her mother's heart and mind. Janell now is on her own journey into adulthood. She has her struggles, and we wish her the best, but she's no longer in our home. You would think I would be prepared for missing her face in our family picture. Well, I'm not, and I don't think I ever will be. But I still want to continue what she and I started. Maybe you have a child or a teenager or a loved one that you want to connect baking and life with. Well, I'm going to send you a free do-it-yourself strawberry lemonade gourmet cupcake to help you start on your journey of connecting baking and life with someone you love. And all we ask in return from you is to pay it forward for someone else so we can do the same for someone else. God gave me 18 beautiful years with Janell, and I'm glad to pay it forward for you. When you click the Journey with Me button below, I'll be sending you that free do-it-yourself gourmet cupcake. Click the button below, start your journey today.